In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start lecture number 22, exercise 6.1, algebraic manipulation, class 9th. First of all, we will start exercise 6.1, question number 1, find HCF. And its second part is included in Smart Syllabus. So HCF stands for highest common factor. So second part, first of all, we will do 102 x y square z. First of all, you have to make the factors of 102. Its factors are 17 multiplied by 6. Now 85, 17 multiplied by 5. So 187, its factors are 17 multiplied by 11. Now x written one time, y square means y written here two times. So x square means x written here two times. Z square means z written here two times. So you have to circle the common factors. You have to circle this 17, x, y and z. So common factors are 17 dot x dot y dot z. Dot means multiply. So HCF equals to 17 x y z. Now we will start question number 2, first part. Find HCF. Now check that x square plus 5x plus 6, x square minus 4x minus 12. Both are standard form of quadratic equation because first term having power 2, second term having power 1 and third term is a constant term. So such type of questions how you can solve, you have to first term multiply by last term, you have to get 6x square. Now you have to make the factors of 6x square, you have to multiply, then you have to get 6, and when you will add same these factors, so you have to get 5. So 2 3 the 6 and 2 plus 3 5. So taking x as a common, then x plus 2 and x plus 2 left here. So taking expression x plus 2 as a common, then inside x plus 3 is left. Now same procedure you have to apply for the second expression, x square minus 4x minus 12. First term multiply by last term, you have to get 12x square. Now you have to make the factors of 12x square and you have to subtract or add these factors, so you have to get 4. Okay, 3 4 the 12. 3 plus 4 7. Not you have to get 4, so you have to change the factors. 6 2 the 12 and 6 minus 2 4. Here sign of minus is used here, so you have to put minus sign with the biggest number. Minus 6x plus 2x minus plus minus. Now taking x as a common, now taking x minus 6 as a common. So you have to get two answers of two expressions. So now you have to check that which one is common. X plus 2 is common, I have circled with pink color. Now its HCF equals to x plus 2. Now its fourth and fifth part will be homework. Okay, that is the part of question number 2, part number 4. So you have just check that, you have to compare with that. So you have to taking x as a common, now you have to make the factors, also make the factors of 18. Now taking you have to make the factors of 24. Now this is a quadratic equation, so you have to multiply and you have to get the same answer, and when you will add or subtract these factors, so you have to get the center term. So you have to solve by factorization. Now you have to get two answers. Now you have to observe that which one are common. X minus 1, 3 common and 2 common, so circle with pink color. So its answer equals to 6 into x minus 1. Now in this question we will learn how we can find the LCM. Question number 4, find LCM. Now that is the second part. So 102 you have to learn how you can make the factors in question number 1. So you have to first of all find the product of common factors. LCM formula equals to product of common factors multiplied by product of non-common factors. The other name of product of common factors is HCF. HCF in previous question you have to find 17xyz. Now you have to find the product of common factors. Now product of common factors 17xyz, and now you have to find product of non-common factors. So 2 3 5 11 x y and z, these are uncommon factors. So you have to multiply with product of common factors with non-common factors, so you have to get 5610 x square y square z square, that is the LCM. Okay, let's see question number 3. Find the HCF of the following by division method. So first part just included. So first of all you have to judge that which one is the greatest. So that is x cube, 3x square, and that is 1x square. It means first expression is the largest term and second expression is the smallest term. So it will be the divisor and it will be dividend. So you have to put inside the division sign. So x cube, okay, x cube multiplied by which number, then you have to get x cube 1. So these four terms multiply by 1, so you have to write here. And in division sign will be changed, plus change into minus, minus change into plus. So x cube cancel with x cube. Now after add or subtract you have to get 2x here minus 6x plus 4. Now check that you can take 2 here as a common, because here x cube mentioned here, not 2 here, so you can take 2 as a common. Then that is the rule to find HCF by division method. Common will be ignored, thus ignoring 2 we have. So you have to get x square minus 3x plus 2. Now you have to put previous divisor inside the division sign. Now x square multiply by which, then you have to get x cube. So x minus 3x multiply by x, 2 multiply by x, 2x. Now after subtraction you have to get 4x square minus 12x plus 8. Now x square multiply by which number, then you have to get 4x square, 4. So minus 3 multiply by 4 minus 12x minus plus 8. After changing the sign all terms will be cancelled, so remainder equals to 0. So last divisor is known as HCF. For question number 8 I will give you hint. I will discuss this formula. LCM multiplied by HCF equals to PX multiplied by QX. That is the standard formula. If you want to find LCM, then HCF shift on other side, it become denominator. Same as HCF equals to this, PX equals to this, and QX equals to this. So you have to solve the remaining parts as a homework. Allah Hafiz.